And here's I will show you the easiest way to add glowing effect in Photoshop. First of all, add a new blank layer and then click on FX, open blending options. Here select inner glow, and inner glow color select white color, blend option select normal, opacity give 100%, noise give 0%. And here you have to use the same values in your computer. Then select outer glow, click on this blending option, and here select linear, dodge add, and opacity give 46%, noise 0. Click here and select a glowing color, and here we can see the preview. And here spread give 10%, size 250 pixels, and range give 60%, and jitter give 0. Then click on OK. Now from the tool panel, select the brush tool, and all you have to need, go ahead and add the glowing effect just like this. So that's how you can actually make glowing effect in Photoshop.